Hi, this is Prithviraj Patil. I'm a certified sports nutritionist. I've been following the ketogenic diet for the last 5 years. You can find me on Instagram at Keto Lean India and check out some of the transformations of people I've been working with. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the keto diet. Keto is basically a high fat, moderate protein, low carb diet. It's naturally a gluten free diet. The basic idea is to have real foods and avoid most carbohydrates such as sugars, processed junk foods, rice, chapati, etc. And instead have fats and proteins coming from eggs, meat, fish, oil, seeds, nuts, and a small portion of carbohydrates coming only from vegetables or at times low GI seasonal foods. And it's nothing new, it's nothing unnatural. In fact, it's completely safe, and in fact, it's very similar to the diet of our Stone Age ancestors. So the diet has tons of benefits, some of which being effortless fat loss without hunger, inflammation goes down, cravings are reduced. Some people even tend to lose them completely. Other than that, you get mental clarity and sharpness. So basically, endurance will go up, and you'll never run out of energy. The diet also has anti-aging effects. You'll have a better skin. And coming on to tips, the first one would be have patience and don't jump to conclusions in the first 2 weeks, as it's an adaptation process. You'll still be losing weight, but in terms of how you feel, give it time, because not many people feel great in the first 2 weeks. You might get cravings, or you might get the keto flu or the symptoms of it. So those can be avoided completely by the second tip being drink more water, have more salt. So on keto, your sodium requirements will change and you'll need more than usual. So I recommend about 3 to 4 liters of water and 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt, of course coming from your food. The third tip I would give is about fats. So it's very important to have the right fats, and not all fats are same. So you mainly want to focus on saturated fats and monounsaturated fats. So some of which being olive oil, coconut oil, ghee, butter, and coming to polyunsaturated fats, PUFAs. The natural ones like omega-3 found in animal proteins or fatty fish, they are perfectly fine, but you want to avoid the processed polyunsaturated fats and even the trans fats. So whenever you're going for keto products, keto friendly products, you want to watch out for them and you want to avoid them. And coming on to food, so on keto you want to go for fattier meat rather than going for lean cuts. So you can go for chicken thigh over chicken breast. You can even have organ meats, they're super nutritious. And always have whole eggs. The yolk is the best part of the egg, and you don't have to fear dietary cholesterol at all. Modern science has proved it. Coming to vegetables, you want to stick to leafy and cruciferous vegetables. Of course, you can have other vegetables, something like mushroom or bell peppers, but you want to avoid high starch vegetables because they might put you out of ketosis. And the last tip I would give is whenever you're purchasing nut butters, something like almond butter or even peanut butter, you want to go for natural and unsweetened products. For that matter, even when you're buying sweeteners, something like stevia, you want to watch out for ingredients like maltodextrin or dextrose, and those ingredients will put you out of ketosis, so you want to avoid that. And same goes for soy sauce or even other sauces, sweet sauces. You want to avoid tomato ketchup too. Yeah, and that's it. And keep watching Eat Times Lifestyle.